Look flawless in these Forever heels from Chinese Laundry. These offer a synthetic upper with this really fun croc print, but there's other styles as well to these that are super cute and stylish. I love that they have stud detailing at the midsole with this wood grain finish heel that's actually going to boost you up 4 inches, giving you a really high lift. Inside, they have a synthetic lining with a really squishy insole to keep you comfortable, and the open toe style is going to feel nice and breezy when it's warm outside. I love that they do have some traction for a stable feel under your feet when you rock these beauties with a denim skirt and a bodysuit for such an adorable look.